everyone. We are a group of highly motivated and knowledgeable students eager to learn and contribute to the advancement of the food industry. It's my honor to introduce the fourth year Section B of the Bachelor of Science in Food Technology program here at Tarlac State University.
On behalf of the Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, Section 4B, I extend a warm welcome to you all. We are committed to learning about the crucial roles of government agencies in the food industry. We believe this seminar will be a valuable opportunity for growth and understanding.
standing for the singing of the national anthem.
And now, let us sing our university hymn, the DSU hymn.
We consolated voices tonight and the cities you are beloved to seek and find our destiny. Lord, unto thee we'll have to be. Within thy portals city as you will learn the ranks of democracy, the truth which shall set us free from ignorance, was and tyranny. Wisdom's in knowledge enabled us, with wisdom and love nurture us. The true sons of grace and prosperity, the fruits will ever be. With hearts of praise and voices united, listening to the true our beloved, to seek and find our destiny. Loyal to thee we'll have to be. Within thy portals liberty as true, we'll learn the ways of democracy, the truth which shall set us free from ignorance, want, and tyranny. With skills and knowledge enabled us, with wisdom and love nurture us. The true sons of grace and prosperity, the fruits will ever be. Beloved of the mother, dear as you.
Thank you. Now, to give us all a warm message, I'm delighted to introduce Mr. Alton Luzon. And you may all now be seated.
Ay, nakaupo na pala kayo. Kala ko hindi tayo upo eh. Anyway, siguro 3 araw na pong kinakontain ng emotion ko para doon sa mga estudyante to mula sa 4A nung first day and then kahapon 4C and now this time sa 4B. Medyo yung parade or yung march nila sa kanilang entrance it really hit me different because para akong para akong manager nila tapos sila artista. So kailangan ginugroom sila since day 1, month of August din, na talagang, clueless pa sila about sa subject, etc. Hanggang sa makita mo silang nagmamarcha dyan, parang one shift lang, isang kalimutan na lang ay marcha na sa graduation. Kung gagraduate na. Okay. Lagi kong pinipili na isulat ang aking speech pag ganitong session because yun nga, hindi ko nakokontrol minsan yung emotions ko dahil this subject is very dear to me. Since ayan po, nandiyan si Mama Chas, siyang considered as naging manager ko din. At naka-discover maybe sa akin yung panahon na estudyante pa lang ako there in San Isidro. And nagkaroon ng ganitong undergraduate seminar din. And ewan ko kayo man, siguro na-discover ako. Fast forward tayo, bigla ako rin humahawak ng subject. And soon, ang aljon na bagitong yun ay nakikita ko sa inyo. And eventually, sana palitan niyo ako dito at kayo ang maging instructor sa subject na ito. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, sabi niyo. It is a great pleasure to welcome you for today's seminar, the roles of the various line government agencies in the food industry. I am truly delighted to have professionals and students gathered here to discuss such a critical and crucial topic. As we know, here in the country, several government agencies play important roles in regulating, overseeing, monitoring, and supporting our industry, the food industry. These agencies ensure food safety, quality, sustainability, and the overall welfare of both producers and consumers. Today, our dear students will discuss the functions and mandates of the following agencies: the Department of Interior and Local Government, or the DILG, the Department of Science and Technology, or the DOST, NMIS, or the National Meat Inspection Services, the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, and lastly, the Department of Agrarian Reform, or DAR. Today, also, I would like to express my gratitude to those who have made this event possible. Without their hard work and dedication, today's seminar would not have been possible. Who are they? They are the PSFE 4B, our students, our PSFE 4B. Palakpakan naman yan. To my dear PSFE 4B, kindly stand up and remain standing. As we stand here today, I can't help but reflect on the journey you've all taken together in this public speaking course. It feels like just yesterday when you first gathered. Each of you have a little nervous, while others are unsure, or perhaps even intimidated by the thought of speaking in front of the others. I remember the first time you all stood up and shared your opening statements. Some of you fumbled with their words, others were caught off guard by the sound of their own voices. And some even wondered if they survived the pressure of the spotlight. Over the past months, you've learned more than just the mechanics of speaking. You've learned to own your voices, to connect with your audience, and to speak with purpose and clarity. You've worked on posture, eye contact, pacing, and finding the right words to convey your thoughts. But more importantly, you've learned the most important lesson of this subject: how to be yourselves in the front of the others. Remember the first time you practiced handling nervousness? You were also focused on your nose, trying to keep everything perfect. But over time, You've embraced the idea that speaking is not about perfection. It's about authenticity and connection. You've transformed anxiety into confidence, learning to pause for effect, and even found joy in telling your own stories. It's been inspiring to watch you grow for me, not just as speakers, but as individuals who have the courage to stand up, share, and be heard. From your early practice speeches to the more polished presentations seen in recent weeks, every step of this journey has been a testament to the power of perseverance, practice, and self-discovery. So as we reflect on what we achieved in this class, I encourage you to take a moment and recognize just how far you've come. Every one of you has developed a unique speaking style, and that's something to be proud of. Your Sir Aljo is really proud of you. So today is the day. The time has finally come. You put in the effort, you've worked tirelessly, and now it's your opportunity to show us what you got. Let's make this moment count. We're all excited to hear what you have shared. Good luck, and God bless your presentations. BS74B, I am now giving you this stage. Good morning.
Mr. Aljo. And today, we have a truly exceptional panel of experts joining us. And Mr. Bill Henry right here to provide valuable insights and perspectives on today's seminar.
We'd like to recognize as well our guests who are with us today. Ma'am Christine Lu and Alturas, Ma'am Francis Santiago, Ma'am Marisa Binato, and Ma'am Kristen Ipan. We thank you for your presence here today. Welcome to the most
Ivan Lopez,
Ivan.
Victor Sabat,
Oy, hindi siya nanalo! Hey, Casey! Casey? Di ba ikaw yung nanalo, Casey? And Nori. Yan. So, makakareceive tayo ng cash prize. Magkano ba? Magkano ba, guys? Hindi kung kayang ibili ng isang kabang bigat. Tayo na lang mag-compute. Hindi makabili ng motor dito sa sasakyan, ha? Gamitin niyo itong ibibigay namin.
Parang may nakita ka mong kulay blue na pera ata.
Ay, wow!
Okay, palakpakan mo natin yung panalo sa ating birthday.
Marireceive nyo na lang after.
Thank you for the participation.
That was so fun, James. Am I right?
Talagang napakasaya. Siyempre, hindi pa rin natin maiwasan yung kaba sa mukha nila. Pero parang enough na yun para magising sila, di ba?
Yes, but before I have a question for you, James. James, anong favorite mong food?
Of course, hindi mawawala sa aking listahan ang pork adobo.
Pork adobo, wow. Parang talagang number one sa mga Filipino. How about you, Sarah? Anong favorite mong food?
Yung favorite food ko, simple lang naman. Mga meat like steak.
Wow.
You know?
Ang
Hindi mo pala yung steak sa apartment.
Simple lang yun. Talaga.
Alam niyo ba na ang karne na binibili ninyo na masarap at ligtas, it's because of NMIS or the National Meat Inspection Services. Okay, I think the long wait is over. I'm honored to introduce the first group to share a very insightful message for today para sa masarap at ligtas na karne sa araw-araw. Let's all welcome Group 1!
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming and spending your time to attend this event today. It was such an honor for you to welcome to this undergraduate seminar.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Alvin Luso, and to my fellow students for gracing this seminar with your presence. We are indeed fortunate to have such eminent personalities with us today.
We're thrilled to witness such enthusiastic participants and highly learned audience gathered to deepen their understanding of this significant topic. But let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Felix Santos Paracha.
And I'm Rivera Palo.
Your gentlemen, I am honored to welcome our first resource speaker, Miss Joanna Lababi. Give her a round of applause.
So, good morning everyone. Thank you for the warm welcome. Once again, I'm Joanna Lababi, your first resource speaker. Grabe ang energy ng ating mga audience for today. Na-feel mo ba?
True, Maribu. Feel na feel ko yung energy nila.
Di ba?
By the way, you look so styling today.
Thank you, Maribu. Wala lang to. Pero ikaw din naman, you look so perfect.
You know what, Maribu? The blue dress is a symbol of elegance and sophistication.
Gaya nga na sinabi mo kanina. Siyempre, Maribu, wearing this kind of outfit feels like a ray of sunshine. It brightens up the day.
Oh.
Hindi ko kinaya yun.
That is very true.
Pero yun na nga, sabi din ni Paris Hilton, yung sinabi ko kanina, na wearing this kind of blue dress can make you feel like $1 million.
Kabog ka talaga palagi, Maribu.
Thanks.
You know what? The blue dress is like a reminder to me that the simplest things in life are the most beautiful. Alright.
Hindi ko alam yung Tagalog nun. Huwag ka natin ini-eme-eme. Kasi mukha tayo naka-JS from.
True, Maribu.
Nakakaya sa ating mga audience. Speaking of audience, Balibu, parang feeling ko, kulang sa
ating icebreaker. Please rise, okay?
Please rise.
Alright.
Okay. Guys, and like... Ay, pwede po ba pakita?
Parang wala na silang energizer. Wala na silang energizer.
Feeling ko magaling dito si Sir Bill.
Alright, with orange shower.
Parang magaling dito si Sir Bill.
Alright.
Pwede mo lamang po ang ating steps.
Face to your left.
Left and one. Yes po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 8, 3, 4,
responsibilities of various sectors in the food industry. From production to distribution, every part plays an important role in ensuring quality and innovation in our field.
We also saw how teamwork and collaborations are essential in overcoming challenges in the industry. Each sector contributes to the bigger picture, showing how interconnected the food industry really is.
These insights remind us of the importance of our future role as food technologies. We have a big responsibility ahead and to bring improvements and solutions to the industry.
Thank you to our speakers for sharing their knowledge and experiences, and to everyone who participated in today's event.
And now we would like to express our deepest gratitude to Mr. Alden Luzon for making this seminar possible. Your strong support and valuable to us.
I'm glad we all survived this seminar! It's been a whirlwind of information and I'm sure your brains are buzzing with new ideas.
Now, go forth and conquer the world with your newfound knowledge. And if you get lost along the way, remember the resources we shared today.
With that being said, can I ask, future FPs, are you now ready?
Once again, I'm James from Natas Videos.
I'm sorry, you don't get now?
And I'm Miss Joyce Palacio Jimenez.
Please signing off. I request my colleagues to come
And there you have it. We've reached the end of our event.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimmick at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyari,